Hi, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the intro riff to Fade to Black by Metallica. Alright, I chose Fade to Black because it is my favorite Metallica song, so I thought it'd be really fun to do a quick riff lesson on just how to play the intro part. If you listen to the recording, it sounds like it's acoustic, but I'm just going to do it here on my electric. Alright, so the first measure, what you're going to do is you can look at the tab below to help down below, and we're going to start on the 5th string, 2nd fret, which is a B, and in this measure we have all 8 notes. So it's going to be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in terms of the timing. We're going to let the notes ring out. So as you're playing it, you don't want to go, or it will not sound right. You want to let them ring, which means you're going to have to arch your fingers up nice and high to make sure all the notes keep ringing. Alright, so let's go ahead and play this. We're going to go the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then we're going to go the 4th string, 4th fret. Then we're going to do the 3rd string open. So it's going to go 1 and 2. And then we're going to play this F sharp here again on the 4th string, 4th fret. So it goes 1 and 2 and, apologize for my singing along with it. And then on beat number 3, we're basically kind of play this 2-4 again here, this B F sharp. That goes 3 and then we're going to put our pinky down on the 5th string, 5th fret, and then play for beat number 4, and then on the end of 4 we're going to play this F sharp again. So it's going to sound like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now you probably should keep your pinky down, like, but I'm always afraid if I don't lift it back up that I may mute it out, just like I just did there. There I didn't. You really have to make sure you arch your pinky up nice and high to make sure it doesn't hit the 4th string. But that is how you play the first measure. So I'm going to go ahead and play that measure a couple times, and you can play along with me. Here we go. 3, 4. So that is how you play measure number 1. Let's take a look at measure number 2. For measure number 2, it's the same rhythm. They're all 8th notes, except everything's going to ring together, except we're going to start with the open string, the 5th string open, and then play this 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string open, then the 4th string, 4th fret again, 5th string open, 4th string, 4th fret, then the 5th string, 5th fret, this D, and then back to this 4 here. So it sounds like... So one more time, measure number 2 is going to sound like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and play measure number 2 a couple times. If you want to go ahead and play along with me, here we go. 3, 4. So that's how you play measure number 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to play measure number 3. Measure number 3 is going to be easy because it's the exact same thing as the first measure where it goes. So let's go ahead and practice measure number 3 a couple times. It's going to go 2, 4, open, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4. The tab's right down below in case you're not sure which strings I'm playing. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. 3, 4. That's how you play measure number 3. Let's take a look at measure number 4. Alright, for measure number 4, once again we have all 8th notes. We're going to let everything ring. And we're going to start here. Well, I'll go ahead and play the measure first. It sounds like... Alright, first we're going to start with, on the 4th string, 4th fret, this C sharp. And then for the next 2 notes, this E and this A on frets 2 on strings 4 and 3. I just like to use my first finger and just bar across there. That makes the most sense as a guitar player. So you're going 1 and 2 and, then you're going to play this C sharp or this 4 on 5th string 4th fret again. Then you're going to play this E here on the 4th string 2nd fret again. So you got 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then on the downbeat of 4 we play open A. And then we're going to play E again, which is on the 4th string 2nd fret. So it sounds like, once again, you got. So I'm going to go ahead and play this slowly, and you can go ahead and play along with me. 3, 4. Now in the song you don't play that over and over, you only play that one time. So there's only 4 measures, and then you just kind of keep repeating the pattern. So now I'm going to go ahead and play the pattern a couple times slowly, and you can play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for taking the time to check out this riff lesson. If you want to see more riff lessons and all kinds of other types of lessons, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notifications when I come out with my next lesson. GuitArmy now has a Patreon page. I'm putting all my YouTube guitar lessons on there, as well as all my online courses, which is probably around 20 hours. I don't have all the courses up yet, but I'm in the process of getting them all over there. So if you want to go over and check that out, there'll be hundreds of videos for you to watch, different guitar lessons that you can't get on YouTube. So if you would like to check it out, the address is right down below, and I'd love to see you over there, and I will see you in the next lesson.